Alright, up next we got the wing assembly, rib installation to the main spar. Alright, we're installing the twist jig. This is the root side of the wing to the main spar. I've bought some sacrificial bolts and nuts from a local hardware store to attach the jig. That way I'm not using the one that's press fit to attach the wing. And now installing the twist jig on the wingtip side, the smaller side. Alright, I'm going to spray a little bit of primer where the ribs mate with the spar. Alright, we're starting installation with wing rib 6. We're going to start with 6 and work our way down toward the root to wing rib 1. Once that's complete, we'll install the flap torque tube. Just makes it easier because then the other ribs aren't in the way of it. So you can push it from rib 6 down to the root and all the way through without the other ribs interfering. Alright, now that we've got the flap torque tube installed, we'll install rib 7 and work our way back out to the tip with these wing ribs.
spent the day getting all the main ribs onto the spar. Rib 1, there's the flat torque tube. Got that installed. Rib 2, rib 3, rib 4, rib 5, rib 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right about here I started just cleat going from the outside in. I'm not exactly sure how these extended range tanks are gonna mount up. So I need to go read those directions. I'm sure there's some kind of bracket on the front that I need to mount. So